Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market as usual. So this week we're focused on the stuff that we have on the daily chart and daily intraday. And as was mentioned last week on Wednesday, this market is forming the few bullish grabbers that suggest that Bitcoin could take the previous top and create actually the new one. And for that purpose we will take a look first on the monthly chart, where we have next extension. So this could be called as the next target probably, because actually on the long-term chart we do not have any other tools to set new targets, but using only the Fibonacci expansions, which market is coming already 3.618. So it's really significant extension and very rare you use it on the real charts. But Bitcoin is an exception. You can see markets going higher. So 3618 on the monthly stands at 63.5, and it means that market could reach this level as soon as next week. Take a look what we have on the daily. On the daily chart, we have few grabbers. This first bullish grabber, second, third was minor one, and then market stands in a flat action. So until these lows are valid, it's approximately 53.20 area, bullish context will be valid, and it suggests the taking out of this top. The target that market could reach stands that we're considering 63.50, so it's approximately right here, but theoretically it could go slightly higher maybe. We're mostly focused on the 63.50 also because of daily overbought. Daily overbought stands around 65, so it means that our reasonable target mostly stands around 63.50, 65 area. So that's where the market could climb in the coming week. Until, of course, as I said, until these grabbers are valid. Potentially, the shape of the pattern, the shape of the market that could be formed, here you could see on the follow time frame chart, that might be a nicely looking butterfly. This butterfly 127 extension stands precisely at the same area, 64 approximately. It's perfectly matched to monthly destination point. That price performance here to the downside also looks very nice. It's because it takes the shape of clear gutless triple to buy right at the 618 support. So you can see on the hourly chart, this market shows upward action, then nicely looking ABCD accurate downside action right to the 618 support, and already starts to bounce up from here. So if you're considering taking the long position, you could consider minor retracement here. So you can see minor head and shoulders pattern, some kind of the bullish engulfing pattern is forming. So if we plot 2-hour chart, probably we will see it. 2-hour chart, 3-hour chart. Yes, you can see something with the bullish engulfing is forming here, right from here. So that theoretically what could happen. So from all this stuff, we could make the conclusion. First, if you would like to go short, this is not yet your game, so we need to wait when the market either will hit the next upside target or daily grabbers will fail. Only if market breaks these lows, drop below 53 area, that will be the reason to consider taking the short position. Currently, you can see we don't have neither of these scenarios. If you consider taking the long position, you could follow with the idea that we have provided. So this butterfly, target around 63.50, 64, invalidation point right here. Entry, this market actually stands already at nice entry position where theoretically safe to consider taking the position. So that's our view on the Bitcoin market.